Sunny weather didn't slow the pace of home sale activity in July. In fact, last month was the highest selling month of the year in Greater Vancouver, and so the highest selling July since 2009. There were 2,946 homes sold on the region's MLS in July. That's a 40% increase compared to July 2012 and an 11% increase from last month. Looking over the last decade, July sales equal the 10-year sales average for the month, with just 3 sales separating the two figures. Home seller activity remained consistent with recent months. There were 4,854 homes listed for sale in Greater Vancouver last month. That's virtually identical to what we saw in both July of last year and June of this year. All totaled, there's 16,618 homes listed for sale on our MLS today. This is down 8% compared to a year ago and nearly 4% from last month. This brings our sales to active listing ratio to 17.7%. This is the highest this ratio has been in Greater Vancouver since April 2012, and a clear indication of the higher levels of demand in the marketplace today. Generally, analysts say that downward pressure in home prices occurs when the ratio dips below the 12% mark, while home prices often experience upward pressure when it reaches the 20 to 22% range in a particular community for a sustained period of time. Home prices continue to experience minimal fluctuation. This stability brings greater certainty to the home buying and selling process, and it makes it less challenging for you and your realtor to identify fair market value in today's housing market. The benchmark price for all residential properties in Greater Vancouver is currently $601,900. This represents a decline of 2.3% compared to this time last year, and an increase of 2.3% over the last 6 months. When we break home prices down by property type, we see that declines occurred in the latter half of 2012, but have increased modestly throughout this year. It's important to note that changes in prices vary depending on neighborhood and property type, so be sure to consult your local realtor to understand the current trends in your area of choice. For further housing market information, go to the News and Statistics section of this website. For the Real Estate Board of Greater Vancouver, I'm Sandra Wyant.